Hello everyone!
According to ABC News on March 28th, a Georgia man's dash cam recorded on an Atlanta highway the terrifying scene of a lightning bolt hitting the curb in front of the man, almost hitting a car driving in the left lane.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Just happened in Pendleton.
A video shared by the New York State Department of Transportation captured a Penske box truck crashing into a highway work zone on I-81 in New York, narrowly missing a worker.
Komm, jetzt kracht's doch gleich. Hier, jetzt kracht's, jetzt kracht's! Wahnsinn. Leute, das glaubt ihr nicht.
Waterspouts have always been a natural phenomenon that has frightened people for ages. Waterspouts usually occur in warm coastal areas in tropical and subtropical regions. They are formed by the interaction between warm seawater and cold air above. The waterspout in the picture is classified as weak, with wind speeds of no more than 30 meters per second and a duration of no longer than 20 minutes.
It's okay, it's okay. Cheeseburger, please.
A snake slithered across the ground and bit the hand of a man taking a nap at his house in Saraburi Province, Thailand. The man was not working safely, but his luck was still good when the tire flew out and dodged him. The photographer was brave and very lucky that the bear was so gentle. When you are in a bad mood, it seems like everything goes wrong. A negative mood also makes it difficult to concentrate and makes you lose your natural luck.
If there's no table, you don't have to clean it.
When a troop of monkeys suddenly swarmed onto the road, swaggering like bosses, occupying the entire road. Vehicles were forced to stop to make way for them.
Western Thailand is notorious for its troublemakers. These troublemakers enjoy blocking cars and sitting on them. Anyone unlucky enough to pass through this road often ends up spending a lot of money to repair their car.
The melting of ice in Antarctica is becoming increasingly serious due to global climate change. Rising temperatures are causing giant icebergs to crack and melt at record speeds, contributing to rising sea levels. This not only threatens the unique ecosystem in Antarctica, but also directly affects the lives of millions of people in coastal areas around the world. This is a clear warning of an environmental crisis. The moment of witnessing the rocket soaring into the sky makes one's heart swell with pride, symbolizing human intelligence, strength, and aspiration to conquer space. Floodwaters poured in from upstream due to prolonged heavy rains. The way this old brick wall shatters when it falls. Teamwork and rhythm to destroy wall.
You don't know what luck really is until you've been in the driver's seat of that excavator.
Whoa! Whoa! What so God, baby?
The old LT-62 crane suddenly collapsed after a long time of use. This incident is a warning about the risks from degraded equipment and lack of regular maintenance. Today is Crazy Hair Day at school, and you decide to stand out by choosing a rooster-themed style. Moments captured by the camera always bring us many different emotions. Excitement, surprise, fear, but also laughter. From dangerous incidents, amazing natural phenomena, to humorous everyday situations, all show that life is always full of unpredictable things. The camera has helped to preserve those moments in a realistic and vivid way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next interesting videos.